Welcome to our channel. Today we are introducing a highly efficient fin tube welding machine designed for precision automation and continuous production in heat exchanger manufacturing. Have you ever wondered how fin tubes are produced with such consistency and strength? Let's take a closer look. This machine features a human-machine interface, making operations simple and intuitive. With a fully digital automatic control system, it ensures stable performance and reliable output over long production cycles. One of its biggest advantages is full automation. Automatic tube loading, automatic tube feeding, automatic strip fin feeding. The steel strip is smoothly discharged and welded directly onto the steel pipe, forming high-quality fin tubes in a continuous process. During welding, the machine provides automatic tube support, automatic stabilization, consistent welding quality. This ensures the fin tubes remain straight, uniform and firmly bonded, reducing defects and improving overall efficiency. In short, this machine delivers continuous operation, high-precision welding, reduced labor costs, stable and reliable production. If you're looking
Let's
to
see how the
upgrade
machine operates.
your fin tube production line, this is a solution worth considering. Thanks for watching. Feel free to contact us for more details or quotation.